Hello. Our assignment, or my assignment, is to demolish several older structures to make way for new development. This is your before scene, and we will show you later what it will look like after this area is all knocked down and cleared. Back again. I'm going to put in a call for the heavy equipment. So hold on. Hello, I'm back again. A new day. Well, today's assignment for me is to go ahead with the demolition. This is the phase one. The salvaging crew, they're all completed now. So we're on a new day. What we have here is this is a bucket. This is where you scoop up your material. They have teeth, as you can see. So this is a bucket. This is a tooth bucket. This apparatus here, or this equipment, this is called a thumb. Much like your hand, when you want to grab something, that thumb is designed to pinch to pick up material and hold it in place here. Very much like rocks, big rocks, or particularly your wood material. You'll have a chance to see that when I operate the excavator. So again, this is a hydraulic arm right here, and this is the main boom for the your excavator. Instead of wheels, rubber tire, this here has what they call crawler tracks. You can see two crawler tracks on each side that moves this machine forward, sideways, backwards. This is your crawler frame rail, or your crawler rail, and right underneath here is your main frame for the machine house for it to swivel back and forth. inside? Anyone inside? All right, come on out. I'll get a tray of hot biscuits for you. Just kidding. I just want to make sure there's no one inside. Got to double check. Hello? Okay. Ready or not, here I come. All right. Bye-bye, baby. It's time to go to work. That no more barn, no more farm structure. The house is gone. Only thing that's left right now is the foundation. Just take a look and see what we can find. Well, here's the basement. This is what I dug out and cleaned out with the excavator. And this is the basement steps where it went down the basement. I'm going to give you a little information about dump trucks. That's your tag axle. The tag axle is used when the truck is loaded. You drop your tag axle down, and that helps to with the weight distribution on the truck. This long tongue here, this is for the second dumper. This is called a pup trailer. So the pup trailer is a secondary unit where the driver can now haul more material on one trip. As you can see, the area is clear. No more wood pile. It's all gone. Today's job, I'm going to be tearing out this concrete. I made a ramp so I could actually drive the excavator down to the basement level. All right, what we have here, we got a Kenworth. It's a T600 tractor, and it's equipped with, this is a tractor trailer unit, different from the dump truck and pop trailer. So as you can see, he has a trailer, that's the dump trailer. So that's one single unit. So we're gonna have a chance to load him up and get him on his way. can see here, we got both the trucks operating. The first truck, the Kenworth, the T600 from 7Cs, and the second truck is Lynn Stevens Trucking. And so we're getting this move fast, and while they're out dumping, my job is to get the pile pretty much tighten it up, clean the area up. As you can see, the house is gone. We have already removed all of the wood. All the wood piles are gone. The only material that's left right now is the concrete. So at this point, all the concrete is being loaded up in the truck, as you can see it backing up there. And once all the concrete is loaded in the truck, as well as the concrete in the basement floor where the existing structure was, the job site is nearly completed. I'm going to be operating the Case 580 backhoe. Well, the last of the piles of concrete is all finished. And so the truck will be heading back. This is what the site looked like after the demolition. And this is what was built on the site.